Understanding Cyber Monday, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a very popular term in modern shopping culture, Cyber Monday. This phrase is not just a simple combination of words. It carries a significant meaning, especially in the context of online shopping and modern consumer habits. Let's dive in and understand what Cyber Monday really means. Cyber Monday refers to the Monday following the Thanksgiving holiday in the United States. It's a term created by marketing companies to encourage people to shop online. It marks the start of the online holiday shopping season, similar to how Black Friday marks the start of the in-store shopping season. On this day, online retailers offer significant discounts and promotions, making it one of the biggest online shopping days of the year. The term, Cyber Monday, was first used in 2005 by the National Retail Federation, an American trade association. It was observed that a large number of people continued their Black Friday shopping spree online on the following Monday. Retailers noticed this trend and started offering special deals and discounts online on this day. Since then, Cyber Monday has become an annual shopping tradition, embraced by consumers and retailers around the world. Cyber Monday has had a significant impact on both consumers and the retail industry. For shoppers, it offers the convenience of buying products from the comfort of their homes and often at prices lower than in-store offers. For retailers, it has become a crucial day for sales and revenue. The growth of Cyber Monday reflects the increasing trend of online shopping and how digital commerce has transformed traditional retail. I hope this video has helped you understand the concept of Cyber Monday. It's a perfect example of how digital trends can influence our shopping habits and the global market. Remember, whether you're a shopper or a retailer, Cyber Monday is a day that can offer great opportunities. Happy learning and happy shopping! See you in our next video.